If you don't stand for something, you don't go value nothing. You're too greedy and glutton. One day you will go choke, you think a joke. Me say if you don't want stand for something, you don't go value nothing. You're too greedy and glutton. One day you will go choke, you think a joke. You know man? Humble and value yourself. Don't be greedy. Share the food.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all of my greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners. I hope all is blessed and as usual, this visual finds you all in the best of health, health of our wealth. And their health is your wealth, so take care of it. Anyone in there, big up on the damn self, give thanks to life. Give thanks to the rising, you know what I mean? Give thanks to what you've got. You see what I say? Yeah man, when you learn to appreciate yourself and respect yourself, you will understand life more, you know? Yeah. Some of viewers and subscribers today we want to talk about Bwoy Trevor exposing the government them. Zine. We'll talk about the crime rate in Granville. Beenie man also while in the UK he got one a Chelsea match and he show some local hints. I want to read between the lines, you see me? Yeah, and also Spice and Jada Kingdom at it collaboration. You see me? Yeah man, and I don't know the crime rate in Granville. So I don't know any of my viewers and subscribers. Don't gonna be forward back in after the break, you know. Yeah man, that's it.
Those who feels it knows. I drop nice because me been hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and close. In a shame for time. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Growing up my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better road.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know. Zine, who feels it knows. Hard life and poverty. Real life story. If you haven't seen the video yet, go and check it out on my video. And the baddest song 2018 where them hold back, you know. The song did got breakthrough, you know, but the song them got Germany, Belgium, you see me I say, Gambia, you know. And it was a great experience, but I don't know. Song like a bus one day, you see me? Who feels it knows, yeah man. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, so we kicked off with Bwoy Trevor right now. Since Trevor made a post, Zine, when I say the Big C fight gets $1 billion boots. Zine, as you can see on the screen. Yeah man, so Bwoy Trevor made a post and he said, I wish you use that money and spend on education and Wi-Fi for every single school in Jamaica. Uno effing set of criminals. Wait till God come next week. So I said Trevor gonna come next week. Yeah, but with a real thing matter, man. You know how much billion them get? You know how much billion them get from the Big C chipping? Enough money. One of them get 300 million US, one get 140, one the next time. We don't do with them money there. Plus, this again, COVID fights get $1 billion boots and I get a wallet more money, you know. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't want to think about that. You see me talking about that? Beenie man in England. You know what I mean? Beenie man is in England. He was. And him tour, you see me, look, was successful. Big up the doctor. You see me, I say, still dubbed as the king of dancehall. You see me? So I'm going to step Chelsea Stadium. Watch Beenie man in Chelsea Stadium. Watch what I want. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I go up and what I go on. So Beenie man at Chelsea Stadium and they must show around. I say, yo, all them are first and talk about mass and them sitting there. Watch out, in England, no mass. Nothing stadium, ram up, you see me? I don't know, right on in the UK here where I reside, mass is not a big issue right now. You can wait if you want, you know what I mean, and think of others and use your conscience and your common sense, see? Yeah, but you not for wear it, them not force you to wear it, you see me? And them scrap all of this vaccine passport business, you see me? Yeah, them scrap it. So I make broker telling about Europe and all of them places, mandatory. No, lie. You see it? Yes, man. So moving on now, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know what Spice and Jada Kingdom link up again, Connecticut. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, Spice and Jada Kingdom link up in a Connecticut. I can see the joy and the respect and everything, and you know, them can keep the respect there forever, because I see one time you see them a friend and the next time you see them mix up or them separate or all them things they're seeing. So Spice and Jada Kingdom at it, you know, whether them dinner the most have fun and show off them big fridge and big TV. So I look forward to a collab soon. I feel like they're going to do a song. It would be nice if we see them do a song together. Jada Kingdom and Spice. You know, Spice can show Jada Kingdom's couple ropes and also be our mentor. Big up Spice, big up Jada Kingdom. A great look that in a Connecticut. Saying? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. Last but not least, you see me watch in the Glean, I'm sitting there now. The Observer. See, big up the Observer, you know. And then we get the information from more time. We're going on the ground. You see me? So this brother, I say your crime in Granville right now needs all hands and deck. Zine, Mr. Allen. Zine, tackling crime in a volatile community and Granville will require all hands on deck, says Executive Director of the Granville Peace, Justice and Resource Development Foundation. Zine O. Dave Allen said. Allen, a native of the community, told the Jamaica Observer West that while there is no silver bullet in the fight against crime in the community, he believes that more needs to be done from all angles for the betterment of the residents' lives. See, the man say more needs to be done than the look where they do right now for fight crime and for the residents' lives. A lot of innocents got caught up in crime and violence. Innocent people drop out. You see me lose their life. You see me I say? Innocently, gruesomely. You see me I say? So, you know, Granville right now. Remember me a youth still, you know. Mobay, Granville, all of them places, nice. You know, war, a town are the bad place. Right now, country come like it fly past town, me not lie. You see me? Town does, country does hot up right now, Granville, and crime and youth them kill off from one another whole of Mobay star and like it has spread at different countries. You see me I say my viewers and subscribers, big up all of the people in Granville, Mobay, you see me I say Mandeville, you know. I just wish the crime could have just stopped, and because a lot of people fearful of them life, you know, a lot of people have to run away and all nowhere for going and them have to run away, you know. All because them local family involved in passa. Them not involved, but through them local nephew or them uncle or them niece or them brother. Even them sister took her, I say we have the girl and we have boss, you know, you have the done girl right now, woman too, you know. And I just say badness not pay at the end of the day, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so. Just I say stop the crime star and I hope it can better, you know, for the sake of the lives of the innocent ones them. You see me I say, not just in Mobay but also Kingston, all over Jamaica. Zine, we say stop the crime, you see me? Don't forget to like, comment and share the content, my viewers and subscribers, please, and thanks. I don't know. Zine, every channel, grow big up all of my active and inactive subscribers them. If you're new to the channel or you just come across the channel and watch the content, I don't know. If you feel like you can you know, subscribe, click the bell so you always get a notification and share. Zine, I don't know my viewers and subscribers. Before I cut, I'm going to make a piece of my song with the 2018. One of my, we get a good reaction from that song, you know, and you know, Pepsi and Sunfest will reach out to me and say, yo, them have them highs and we keep putting in the work. You see me? Them see some young artists, but them say, yo, keep growing and keep putting in the work. We are watching. So that was a great moment. You see me? So that song name No Jailous, No Jailous. Shot on by me and White Shadow. Edited by me, see? So watch out.
Record the one in the Senegal Street. We said the song and the lyrics, them really, you know, and a counterfeit. YGB, get some cargo, get some stick. Make we build up some sign quick. Circle every town and every district and tell them this.
Yeah man, that the intro that you know, you see it. I know how I came up with that song there one day, my shadow there was a mechanic, him family mechanic, him little nephew mechanic workplace, you know. And it just come up and we just voice it and think, get it mixed as Cashapp by Beenie, you see me? Beenie on the beat, yeah.
Like a dead clock, all war must stop. Don't kill nobody at the bus stop. Think before you act your Glock, no bus stop. Life you can't buy in a trust that.
Yeah man, like a dead clock, all war must stop, you know. Don't kill nobody at the bus stop, you see it?
No make no wrong move, sit back, kick back. Brief we make money just like a hit track. Hit no nice when you're in jail and I get out a road a tick tock and a man stiff rock.
No make no wrong move, sit back, kick back. Brief we make money like a hit track. Hit no nice when you're in jail and I get out a road a tick tock and a man stiff rock. I don't know what I mean already though.
Every shot I said, no, jailhouse. No, dead house. No war, right. No one side in the war, mine. No, jailhouse. No, dead house. No war, right. Put down the 16, put down the 9.
Yeah man, no jailhouse, no dead house man. Stay away from guns and crime and gun, you see me, in prison. When I hear me, when I hear you, stop the crime.
I am no police, but me a fight crime. We bring back the peace now at the right time. White shadow say, jailhouse so I like line. Him love lockdown with him girl at night time.
Me and the police, but me a fight crime. If we bring back the peace, now at the right time. White shadow say, jailhouse so I like line. You see me, love lockdown with him girl at night time. Or some man say them are done and them love woman and then gone to prison can do 10, 20, 50 years. No sir.
No more gun, no bye-bye. No unknown car, no drive-by. Me say the crime will get too sky-high. Every day for the news people are die.
No more gun, no pie-pie. No unknown car, no drive-by. Crime rate get high, man. Yo, I just wish you could have just stopped the crime star. Yeah, man. I can't see the truth and hide it and hold it back in here. If you speak the truth, even though it hurts. You see what I say? I don't care if I talk the truth. If your friend fall out, you can talk it out, man, reason it out, man, and just looking, because you don't know good enough, you still do bad. You don't know the right and you still do the wrong. I don't understand my viewers and subscribers, you see me? Yeah, man, so you don't know. When you can watch the full video, you see me, no jealous, no jealous. It's on YouTube. You don't know it's a promotional thing from the Jada Bunks with him. I think I said your name. Yeah, man, big up I do and see him, you see me? But my song was one of the songs that get a good run at Jamaica too, you see me? Big up Super Hype, yeah man, big up Can't Tired. You see me? Sure, the man them thief Can't Tired dance and call it viral run. No sir. I tell you about the dancehall business, you see. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, I don't know a line put on another flag. I'll be tweet about that bus now brag. Man. Boom. Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe, gone, walk good. I'm out. God bless you.